This is my newest project. It's a smart doorbell. You can speak through it,
See through it,
listen through it,
and unlock the door using your face or chip. And this is how I build it.
Hi and welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how I built this doorbell and provide you 3 steps how I did it. So the first step is go shopping. So I went shopping online to buy some RFID, speaker amplifier and bunch more stuff to make it work. Now let's build it. While the package was on its way, I started working on streaming video and audio from the doorbell, and it worked nicely for the first try. After that, the package finally arrived and I came up with this first design of the structure. Yeah, it's horrible. After that, it was time to make a 3D model, so I opened Fusion and came up with this. It's a 3-body design, as you can see in the video. The first and second body is connected using the bars, and the second and third body using screws. And it was time to 3D print it and assemble it. And second step is done. And it was time to mount it and test it. By the way, if you ask me how good I am at manual work, don't ask me. I also wrote the code for the doorbell, server and a lot of other things, but it was a long journey, so I won't burden you with that. You can find the code on GitHub, the link is in the video description below. Of course, there were a few problems while testing, because it wouldn't be a project if there weren't any, right? Maybe it's not the best idea to hide the Raspberry Pi in an iron post for a good Wi-Fi signal, or to keep these things unsealed. I had to buy new Pi and new sound card because of the moisture. Then I designed a sealed box for the Pi and put silica gel in it. Fortunately, it worked great after that. And done! Finally, it's time to show you the result. Before I show you the result, I need to tell you something. This project took me over 2 months of intensive work, and I provide all the code to you as open source. So if you appreciate my work, I will be very happy if you like this video and subscribe to this Code Club channel or to my personal one that you can see the link in the top card now. But now, let's show how it works. This is how the app looks like when it's open. Below you could see 4 tabs. The first of these tabs shows the available devices. This is the tab that we are currently looking on. You can click on available device and the live view will load. You can also open the door and it will hold the door open for 6 seconds. You can also start the call. On the second tab you can see history of NFC, face detection and ringing. On the third tab, you will find ringtone settings, the option to add an NFC chip using your phone or face also using your phone. The third tab is used to add an account and associate devices with it. The app can also send notifications about arrivals, which can be useful. Now let's talk about whether I think this is actually worth it. If you enjoy experimenting with hardware, because hardware issues are honestly one of the hardest part of this whole project, then yeah, it's definitely something you can try. But if we compare the price of a regular consumer product to our custom built doorbell, well, find that some ready-made doorbells actually cost almost the same. And if there is any price difference, it's mostly because of the huge amount of development work involved, whether that's software or hardware, because this project really takes a lot of both.
On the other hand, I learned a ton of things while working on this project. And that's it from me. Take care and have a nice day.